because the APC have majority in both houses, they decided to manipulate the system. And I think they are working in collaboration with Mr. President, and they intend to sign the law. Even after when National Independent Electoral Commission came out to say that they were prepared for electronic transmission. And NCC also confirmed that they have the capacity, Nigeria has the capacity to do electronic transmission. But you can see that they went there and said no. You know that most states in the north today, the security challenges are created by politicians to ensure that no election takes place so that they will rig. And this is what is going on. And honestly, like I said before, I want to advise Mr. President that there is no need to sign the amended Electoral Act without the electronic transmission. I think we have come of age. We cannot be going back to analog when the whole world is going digital. Everything is moving towards digital, whether television, radio, everything today. That is where we are. So Mr. President must have a rethink. Let him not take Nigerians from top to bottom, but rather take at least the remaining period that we have. Let him take us from bottom to top so that we can get things right in this country. And I think that any attempt to continue to do manual transmission of results will deny voters the right to vote and be counted, which Mr. President promised. What they will do is those who are manning, the officials who are manning this, will be the voters themselves, and they will manipulate figures to fit themselves. So let every Nigerian have the right to cast his vote and let that vote be counted. That from what we have seen, the intention is to make sure that our votes are not counted, which is all right.
Yeah, what is your target, sir? Because Benue APC have told you that they have 5 million members registered. So what is your...
Which 5 million? That is 419. 419, where are they?
What is PDP expecting?
Where are they? We won election here. We won 3 senatorial seats. We won 7 House of Assembly seats. House of Rep seats. We won 22 House of Assembly seats. And we won the governorship. So when are that there are 5 million people? Where? Nigeria, you know, that is how they start rigging. That they want to start the process of rigging. So by the time, but we're not going to give them an age. And I tell you, we are fully mobilized. Anybody that comes to rig in 2023, you should say your last prayer. We're not going to allow you. You can't rig us where we are majority. It is impossible. They attempted it in 2019. Were they able to do it? And this time too, they will fail. Some of you that saw what happened in Adipo, we are doing the same thing in Bishongo, we are doing the same thing in Guma. We are saying, so people are coming in. Come on, world congresses. APC cannot conduct it well. And you have seen the fallout. When we did our world congresses, did you hear any rancor in PDP? No. That shows you that PDP is in charge. That their 5 million is 419. It is nowhere. No, maybe it is trees. They have also registered trees. Streams and farms and other things. You cannot tell me that have taken place. But we're equal to the tax.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.